Happy day, students. Today I am going to teach you conjunctions part 2. We are going to deal with conjunctions and the functions and the usage. Next we shall see conjunctions and their functions. Generally speaking, you know what are the conjunctions, and not only but also, as well as, moreover, furthermore, besides, in addition to. All these conjunctions are used to add information. So what are the function for this? To add information. Then we use since, as, for, because, since, then, before that, after that, in order to indicate cause or reason. Next you see, but, yet, still, nevertheless, on the other hand, though, although, even though, however, on the contrary. All these conjunctions, the function is to express contrast. Next, therefore, consequently, then, so that, hence, thus, to show result or purpose. Next, when, while, after, before, till, until, as soon as long as, to indicate time. Next you see, if, unless, whether, in case, provided that, used to add condition. Okay. Next, or, either or, neither nor, otherwise or else, to express choice. Next, likewise, similarly, to denote comparison. Then finally we see where, wherever, to denote place. Now let us see the various types of conjunctions and practice how to use them. So we are going to see the usage. First, coordinating conjunctions. First one you see, I rang up but he didn't speak to me. Second one, slow and steady wins the race. Third one, finish your work or you will not be sent home. Fourth one, the child was ill, so he was admitted in the hospital. Fifth one, he is rich, for he is hardworking. Second one, you see subordinating conjunctions. Example 1, unless you work hard, you cannot secure good marks. Second, wait till I return. Third, he is honest, though he is poor. Fourth one, as John is very weak, he is not able to walk fast. Fifth one, I will return home after sunset. Here after is the subordinating conjunction. My uncle entered my house while I was doing my homework. So while is the subordinating conjunction. Moving on to correlative conjunctions. See the first example. Usage, Sheba is both a singer and a dancer. So we use both and. Second one, neither Jane nor Ram has attended the function. Neither nor. Third one, no sooner did the teacher enter the class than the boy stood up. No sooner comes means followed by than. Fourth one, scarcely had they gone out when it started raining. Scarcely will be always followed by when. Fifth one, the car is not only economical but also feels good to drive. So not only but also. Now we shall move on to the exercises. Okay, complete the sentences given below, choosing the right connectors given in brackets. First one, call me in case you need money. Second one, I forgot that I had to meet the principal. Third one, though he is 90 years old, he is in the pink of health. Fourth one, it is raining, take an umbrella or else you will get drenched. Fifth one, they faced many hardships, nevertheless they are always cheerful. Next, fill in the blanks with the connector that goes with the underlined words. Both the minister and the officers visited the affected areas. Second one, Jaya teaches not only English but also science. Third one, either Raghu or Bala will have to buy vegetables from the market. Fourth one, no sooner did I enter the house than it started drizzling. Moving on to the next exercise, combine the pairs of sentences using appropriate connectors. See, like this also you will get, we came late, we did not miss the train. Though we came late, we did not miss the train. Or, we came late, but we did not miss the train. Next one, they checked the packet twice, then they sealed it. So then is there, no, you have to use. After they had checked the packet twice, they sealed it. Next, Sita saw a snake. At once she ran away. This is immediate action. As soon as Sita saw a snake, she ran away. Or in other words, no sooner did Sita see the snake than she ran away. Okay. Robert completed the project. He submitted it to the teacher. After Robert had completed the project, he submitted it to his teacher. Next one, Yusuf was running high temperature. He could not take part in the competition. That means, Yusuf was having high fever. As or since Yusuf was running high temperature, he could not take part in the competition. Now take the correct linker. Dash, he was honest, he was punished. Though is the correct answer. Though he was honest, he was punished. Second one, walk carefully. Otherwise, you will fall down. Okay. My mother called me while I was playing football. My salary is low. Nevertheless, I find the work interesting. The passengers rushed to board the bus as soon as it arrived. Next, supply suitable linkers. So the linkers, you have to supply accordingly. Though I was alive and had a human heart, answered the statue, I did not know what tears were when I lived in the palace and sorrow was not allowed to enter. My courtiers called me the happy prince because happy indeed I was. So I lived and soon I died. Many writers make incorrect sentences when they try to put sentences together. They may make grammatical errors and leave out important punctuation marks. Making such mistakes is quite common at the time of preparing the first draft. So we must carefully edit his final draft. In most large cities and towns of our country, there are special schools for girls, but there are many co-educational schools where girls and boys study together. Most parents allow their daughters to attend these schools, though there are some parents who are against such schools for girls in the age of 14 or 15. Let's see the next exercise. Rearrange the words in the correct order to make meaningful sentences. First one, I am as healthy as you are. Second one, you see, since today is your birthday, put on the new dress. Third one, you see, though Rani is allergic to dogs, she has 6 of them. Next one, you see, Ruben speaks 2 languages besides German. Last one, if you apply for a loan, you will get it immediately. Next exercise, complete the sentence with an appropriate link word. Link word or conjunctions are the same. Okay. So first one, promise me that you will phone me as soon as you get to the railway station. So what is the connecting word? As soon as. Second one, I'll take some money with me just in case I see something I want to buy. Third one, Jenny promised to look after Hari's cat while she was on holiday. Fourth one, it is a small house and requires a lot of repairs. Moreover, it is a long way from the center. Fifth one, he was let off on condition that he would not repeat the offense. Sixth one, he wore a coat in order that he might not catch cold. Seventh one, it has been raining continuously since last week. Eighth one, she was therefore unable to attend the meeting. Ninth one, you see, he was so tired because he had stayed up late to watch the football match. 10th one, unless you stop eating so much chocolate, you won't be able to fit into your favorite dress. 11th one, I have to complete this assignment by the end of the day. 12th one. I saw him go into the office and 10 minutes later. Okay, 12th one. Later, he came out looking very pale. 13th one, you see. After having a swim, we lay in the sun watching the boats in the distance. 14th one. He could beat his father at chess although he was only 8. 15th one. I like holidays by the sea whereas my husband prefers to go to the mountains. Moving on to 16th one. Despite the high risk involved, many scientists chase tornadoes so they can study them more closely. 17th one. Even though television can be educational, I think it is better to read a book. 18th one. Due to the rain and the high winds, they never went camping. 19th one. Unless you are not eligible for a subsidized bus pass unless you are a full-time student. 20th one. He was an absolute failure in medical school, so he decided to try law instead. Just look at the answers. First one as soon as, second one in case, third one while, fourth one moreover, fifth on condition that, sixth in order that, seventh since, eighth one therefore, ninth one because, 10th one unless, 11th one by, 12th later, 13th after, 14th although, 15 whereas, 16 despite, 17 even though, 18 due to, 19 unless, 20th instead. Moving on to the next exercise, complete the following sentence with the most appropriate conjunction. First one, I know you must be tired, so I will let you rest. So what is the option? Option C. Okay, second one, we should be proud of this. And so we are. Option C. Third one, he worked hard, still he failed. Option B. Fourth one, why are you dash bad? Why are you so bad? Option D. Next one, he is foolish, yet he is loved by others. Option B. Next one you see, pizza and burgers are my favorite snacks. So option C. Next one, we were late, so we took a taxi. Option C. Eighth one, you may go, but come back soon. Option B. Ninth one, I know him since he was a child. Option D. 10th one, this is the current position and so it will remain. Option A. 11th one, option D. Whatever I do, I will do it in an honest way. 12th one, in the summer, I will go to Kunnur where my uncle lives. Okay. 13th one, my brother has written several novels, whereas option C, I have not written a single story. 14th one, when it rains, I like to remain indoors. Option B. 15th one, it is ages since we met. Option A. Dear students, hope you have understood conjunctions, and with this, I wind up the class. We shall meet in the next class. Thank you.